I pasti italiani. Italians eat 3 meals: la colazione, il pranzo e la cena. La colazione. Italians normally have breakfast a casa or al bar. There are many drinks you could order, including coffee, juice, or water. Let's look at caffè first. Un caffè can be espresso, corto, macchiato, decaffeinato, lungo. Now, for succo, you can order un succo alla pera, albicocca, ananas. You might also have una spremuta di arancia. Finally, let's look at bottled and canned drinks. Una lattina di tè alla pesca, Fanta. You can also order un bicchiere or una bottiglia d'acqua. You can then specify that you want it naturale or frizzante. If I want a small concentrated coffee, I'll need to ask for un caffè corto, un caffè espresso, un caffè lungo. Un caffè corto is the right answer. And what about food? Well, you could ask for una brioche, un tramezzino, un panino, un toast. But how do you ask? Ordering verbs. To order in Italian, we use 2 verbs, prendere and volere, conjugated respectively in the present and conditional tenses. Prendere. Io prendo, tu prendi, lui, lei prende, noi prendiamo, voi prendete, loro prendono. For example, io prendo un caffè macchiato e una brioche alla marmellata, grazie. Using volere in the conditional tense is extra polite. Here's what the conjugation looks like. Volere. Io vorrei, tu vorresti, lui, lei vorrebbe, noi vorremmo, voi vorreste, loro vorrebbero. For example, vorrei un succo all'ananas e un toast con prosciutto e formaggio, per favore. If you wanted to be extra polite, would you say, prendo una lattina di Coca-Cola, per favore. Per me una lattina di Coca-Cola, per favore. Vorrei una lattina di Coca-Cola, per favore. The right answer is vorrei una lattina di Coca-Cola, per favore. To check out all the vocabulary in this lesson later on, be sure to download the free PDF in the description below. Il pranzo. In Italy, lunch is a very culturally important meal, to the point that most businesses close down for lunch breaks. This is one of the reasons why most Italians eat dinner after 8 p.m. In the south of Italy, people are known to have dinner very late at night, around 9 or even 10 p.m. There are several places to eat lunch in Italy: a casa, al ristorante, al bar, or alla trattoria. La trattoria is a place similar to a restaurant but smaller, more rustic, family-owned, and focusing on homemade cooked food. To eat al bar, you could order un tramezzino, un panino, un toast. Need some extra practice? Listening to Italians have a dialogue can be extremely helpful, like in this video. You can find this on video on FluentU with in-depth, interactable subtitles, personalized quizzes, and custom vocabulary lists. There are countless videos to choose from on FluentU for you to learn all facets of Italian. To start learning authentic Italian, go to the link in the description below and start your free trial. La cena. Most Italians have dinner between 8 to 9:30 p.m. On the weekends and holidays, dinner might be even later since before gli italiani fanno l'aperitivo. L'aperitivo is normally around 6-7 p.m. Aperitivo refers to an early evening drink that is supposed to open the appetite. It is often made with bitter liquors because it is meant to prime your stomach for dinner, the main event. Drinks served for l'aperitivo in Italy can be a little bit more expensive because they come with some snacks. To drink, you could order un bicchiere di or una bottiglia di vino rosso, vino bianco, uno spritz, or some of the non-alcoholic drinks from breakfast like una lattina di tè alla pesca, tè al limone, Coca-Cola, Sprite, Fanta, un bicchiere di o una bottiglia di acqua frizzante o naturale. To eat al ristorante, you could order una pizza, un antipasto. L'antipasto comes in both hot and cold options and they vary from region to region. La cena has several courses throughout it. When you order, the order needs to go like so. Un antipasto, which we have discussed previously. Un primo, a first meal that is usually a certain dish of pasta, risotto, or minestra, soup. Un secondo, the second dish only comes with meat or fish, so you'll need to order a side dish, which could be verdure grigliate, grilled vegetables, un'insalata mista, mixed salad, or patatine fritte, French fries. And finally, my personal favorite, un dolce, a dessert. This can be a traditional dessert such as tiramisu, or it can also be a healthier dessert such as macedonia, a fruit salad, or frutta fresca, some fresh fruit. Here are some examples of how you can order la cena at different types of eateries. Al ristorante, you could say, lei come antipasto prende 2 bruschette e come primo il risotto ai funghi. Io prendo solo il secondo e vorrei la cotoletta alla milanese e come contorno un'insalata mista. Da bere prendiamo una bottiglia di acqua naturale. Come dolce io vorrei il gelato con le fragole e lui un tiramisù per favore. Alla trattoria, you could say, noi prendiamo una bottiglia del vino rosso della casa e 2 spaghetti al pomodoro e basilico. Mentre aspettiamo vorremmo anche dei grissini se possibile. Grazie. Prendo una fetta di torta al cioccolato fatta in casa e un caffè con la grappa. Grazie mille. Find the correct translation of the following sentence. She would like a croissant with jam and a fresh squeezed orange juice. Lei prende una brioche alla marmellata e un succo alla pera. Grazie. Lei vorrebbe una brioche alla marmellata e una spremuta d'arancia. Grazie. 1 or 2? Number 2 is the correct Italian translation. To learn about more conversational Italian, make sure to check out this video. Thank you so much for watching and happy language learning!